Welcome to Ruger Tech Tips. I'm going to show you how to disassemble the Ruger Max 9 pistol. First off, I'm going to put on my safety glasses. And here in my workspace, you notice that I have no ammunition on the table. Picking up the pistol, first thing I'm going to do is remove the magazine, the source of ammunition, which is empty, and I'm going to clear the pistol. First, put it on fire so I can rack the slide back, lock it to the rear. I'm going to visually and physically inspect the chamber to make sure there's no ammunition. Seeing that the pistol is clear, I'm going to go ahead and close the slide, and I will now, in a safe direction, pull the trigger, and we're ready to disassemble. First off, you can see this window here that protects the takedown pin. I'm going to press that with a non-marring tool, such as the back of this paintbrush. And there's a pin exposed there. In order to get that pin out, I need to rack the slide back about 1/8 of an inch. You can see that's about as far as it needs to go. And from the other side, I'm going to use this little Allen wrench. You can use a paper clip or whatever you have available. There's a little hole there. I'm going to press that pin out, and you can see it's coming out to where I can now grab it and remove the pin. Now, it's very simple just to go ahead and pull the slide off of the grip frame. This is one complete part. You don't need to disassemble the grip frame any further than this to clean it. And then on the slide, I'm going to turn this upside down. You can see that I have here the recoil spring. I just need to compress that a tiny bit to pull it up off of that ledge. I can remove the captured recoil spring. This is nice. It won't fly out at you. It is a captured spring. And then, of course, the barrel. I can just press up on the barrel, slide it forward, and I need to pull that out just like this. So now I have my completely disassembled Ruger Max 9 pistol, slide, grip frame, barrel, and spring. And I have this takedown pin. I'm going to keep this in my bin so I don't lose it when I go to put the gun back together. Thank you for watching Ruger Max 9 Tech Tips. This has been Disassembly for the Max 9 pistol.